Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make avocado carbonara. I love carbonara, but this carbonara is so healthy using avocado. Avocado is good fat sources and the sauce is creamy and rich. This carbonara is packed with nutrients and it's easy to make it. So let's get started. Okay, these are ingredients. It's bacon. So it's my homemade bacon, but you can use the bacon that you bought in the market. And avocado. And I use 1 egg in the recipe. And this is a fresh Parmigiano-Reggiano. So I recommend the fresh grated cheese. So it gives the sauce more flavorful. And this is spaghetti. So I use 1.7 millimeter thickness. And soy sauce and olive oil. For the sauce, I use soy milk. It has no salt and black pepper. So I use it at the end. And the salt, so I use it for boiling spaghetti. Okay, let's get started. I use 1/4 of avocado for topping, so I separate it. Mix the blender. So I put the ingredients. Avocado and 1 egg. And freshly grated cheese. And soy milk. Okay. And finally, so ground black pepper. Sorry, I forgot to say I I will use the sauce. I will use the ground black pepper, so to the sauce too. Okay. Okay, let's blend all the ingredients with hand blender. So it's very important to mix well and make our creamy sauce. So I will blend. It's smooth and creamy, I think. Okay, I try the taste. So rich and flavorful. I like this taste. Soy milk and avocado is very perfect match. So next step is saute the bacon. So I add olive oil and heat it up. Okay, start to boil the spaghetti. So I want to be al dente, so 1 minute shorter to boil. Okay, and turn the heat up and let it sit for 1 minute. Okay, then check the bottom. A little bit more heat. Okay.それではいただきます。So I'm very looking forward to the dish. It's so creamy, and when I cook it, the smell is so good. So delicious. So I like this crispy bacon. So it's accent to the dish. For the dish, I try the avocado. So I blend the all ingredients with hand blender. So the sauce is smooth and it's creamy. I use soy milk and avocado and 1 egg. But this sauce is so rich. Maybe thanks to fresh cheese. Avocado is very healthy, so this carbonara is good for you. After sautéing the bacon, so I add pasta water and taste it. So if you need more salt, if you need more salt, please add pasta water, so you can control the taste. I like the basic carbonara, but I like avocado carbonara too. I like this bacon, so I want to share my homemade bacon. So in the future, this carbonara is so easy to make it. So let's try it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment. Thank you. Goodbye.